As we can see in these views, we are using prefixes for our mark numbers, but these are not displayed identically in all views. Before going to the settings, let's have a look at the precast element properties. We can see we are using an additional text mark, aka prefix. Let's see what we can find out in the catalogs. In the element type catalog, we can find most settings regarding these miscellaneous precast elements. The type we are facing here are the columns. Under the labeling section, we'll find all the settings we're interested in. Under mark line number, we can see the correct settings using the prefix and the mark number itself. Let's copy these two values. Now, let's look at the other tabs. Under this Views tab, we can see something only displaying the mark number. While we're here, let's also adjust the label position. In this area, we can paste the two previously copied values. I'm using Windows plus V in order to use the Windows clipboard and paste two of the last copied items. We can now save the new settings and check the results. We just have to change any of the view's settings to see the newly selected options appearing in it. The new precast settings are now applied and displayed as they should. We can see all views are identical now.